On September 4, the Union Home Ministry announced that National Highway 2, which connects the Imphal Valley to Dimapur in Nagaland and further to Assam, has been opened for free movement of all vehicles. The Hindu has come for a ground reality check. On our visit here, we found that though commercial vehicles and goods vehicles are plying as earlier, the movement of people from the Methi community has not started yet. The passenger buses, which could take people from the Methi community who live right across this barricade, have not been able to access this road. People here say that they are very skeptical about the movement of people from either of the communities passing through their areas. And the Kuki-Zo Council said in a statement earlier that they have not blocked the highway. What we see here is a buffer zone which has been created between the Methi-dominated district here, area here, and the Kuki-Zo Hamar dominated Kangpokpi district here, so that there are no incidents of violence. And this buffer zone has been in place at least since 2023 after the start of the violence, but the free movement of vehicle as being claimed by the government has not yet started. The Methi people whose only way out of the valley, only mode of transport out of the valley is by air, have not been able to use the road. Similarly, the Kuki-Zo people who live on the other side have not been able to access the Imphal airport, which is in the Imphal city. So there's a clear divide still on the ground, and this has impacted the free movement of people of all communities. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was here in Manipur on September 13th, and where he spoke about peace and dialogue between the communities. Let's hope that in the future this has a bearing on the circumstances here and the situation changes. This is Vijayta Singh reporting for The Hindu.